Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your JBL Flip 5 with Android smartphone. And to do this you'll need to open Bluetooth on your smartphone, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and here power on your speaker. Then click once on the Bluetooth button. You'll enter pairing mode, and now let's just find our speaker, JBL Flip 5. Click on it, then pair. Here it is connected, and now let's move on to JBL portable app. You can download it from basically any store on any device. Here it will wait, we need to wait and look for our product. And now the device is ready and set up with the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.